Hey guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. This reading will be what your person is dying to tell you. If you have any specific someone in your life, maybe your love, crush, husband, wife, whatever, whoever it is, a specific someone is there in your life, you don't have any communication or no contact situation. So you want to know what they want to tell you because they are not able to express their feelings to you. So you want to know what they are dying to tell me. Okay, you are asking spirits and angels what they are trying to tell me. Spirits, you are going to ask. Okay, so I will be doing this reading for you, what your person is dying to tell you. Okay, so we have three piles as usual. We have yellow heart, green heart and red heart. So whichever pile you are intuitively connected with, you can choose the pile. And if you need more time, you can pause the video, meditate on the pile and choose the pile. Then while shuffling the cards, you please meditate and pray to the universe so that they can give you the correct messages, and you are also able to accept it. Okay, so there are two things, guys, like whenever we are I'm giving any messages and all, if you have any confusion in your mind, or if you feel like how can this happen, okay, that kind of suppose if I say yes, this person want to marry you or something. So some people message me in the mail and all, like no, they are already married, how can they commit to us, or how can they marry me. Okay, this kind of doubts or hesitations or negative thoughts, if you have, whatever you are trying to manifest, it will not manifest. Okay, so it is not your job to think. Okay, whatever is happening, whatever you are trying to manifest, universe will take care. Okay, so whatever messages are coming, you have to accept and say yes, yes, this message is for me. Then only you can manifest. With confused mind, with dilemma, with doubt, you cannot manifest anything. Okay, anything positive in your life. Okay, so that is what I have to say. So that's all I have for you to say. So if you like my readings, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol to get more notifications from my channel. And I can see many of you are very much supporting me and motivating me to do more and more videos for you. I can see your likes and comments also. I'm so happy, glad, and I want to show my gratitude towards you and the universe. So that's all. Yeah, we will start the reading. If you want any personal reading, you can contact me. Just now I have done two personal readings, and pretty soon I will be posting the testimonials also. Then that's all. If you want any personal reading, you can contact me. My details are given below. Without wasting much time, let us continue. What your person is dying to tell you. Okay, what your person, first we will see the messages, then we will pull the cards. Okay, pull the tarot cards. What your person is dying to tell you. What your person is dying to tell you, why they are not able to tell you. Let's pull more cards. Yes, I got enough cards. Okay, this person is not coming towards you because they have the fear of rejection. I am sorry, I couldn't be your person. Okay, so they know what mistake they have done and they are saying sorry. My past is haunting me, don't wait. Okay, for some of you, they are saying don't wait for me because my past is not leaving me and haunting me. I want to grow old with you. So, definitely, they want to live with you forever, lifetime. Don't have regrets, this is sweet memory for lifetime. So they are saying that don't feel regret or guilty, but this is a sweet memories for lifetime. I cannot be with you when you need me. Okay, so that is the reason they are feeling guilty now. You are my best friend. Maybe many of you, this person is your best friend. Financially unstable. Okay, so they have two major things here, so that they want to tell you. One is the fear of rejection. They are not sure whether you will accept them or not, that's why it is fear of rejection. And also financially unstable they are, that is what they want to say. So now let's pull the tarot cards to see what exactly they are trying to tell you. Let's pull some cards. What is your person dying to tell you? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What their person, whoever chose this yellow heart, so what their person is trying to tell them. What their person is trying to tell them. Please give us some guidance and clarity. No contact, no communication. What they are dying to tell my viewer. Spirits and angels. The Chariot. Two of Spears. And four of Spears. Okay, so this person want to tell you that they are not able to express their feelings. They are kind of introvert. They are hiding their feelings. They are masking their feelings, and they couldn't tell you anything, but they are very very possessive about you. They can't see you with anybody else. Maybe you have put some status or photos recently in social media or WhatsApp status, so they are hurt way because of that, and they are asking you that wait, try to understand me, and do not leave me, do not move on. So this is a kind of divinely guided connection, or they feel that you both are soulmates, or you are best partners. Okay, because two of cups is there. There is lot of love. Okay, lot of love, feelings, emotions towards you. This person is not able to express. Maybe they are normally itself they are less. They speak less maybe, or they don't know how to express their feelings. They are kind of shy or introvert, so that is the reason they are not able to tell you. Or for some people, they are gathering the money, saving the money. They are trying to be financially stable, then only they want to come to you, because they want to keep you happy, they want to take care of you nicely. That is also for a few of you. Then the Chariot means they are slowly moving towards you, or this person might be far away from you. I'm getting different messages. Please take whatever resonates with you. So maybe for some of you, this person is at long distance, and they want to travel and come towards you, or they are in a journey that evolving your connection. Okay, they don't know, maybe earlier they don't know what is this connection all about, but now they are slowly evolving, and their journey slowly started towards you. Okay, that is what they wanted to tell you. Even they are looking for you, even they want to meet you, they want to say whatever they are feeling towards you. Maybe earlier they didn't, but now they know that you both are soulmates. Let's see more cards. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What are they dying to tell my pile number one? What is their person that he or she wants to tell my pile one? What are they dying to say? What are their feelings? What are they dying to say? No contact, no communication. What they want to tell? Okay, cards are falling off. One more shuffle, then I will take the cards. What are they dying to say? Okay, they are waiting for you patiently, heartbroken, and two of cups again. So really it is very clear, friends. They feel that you both are soulmates, and they want to come towards you, they want to offer their cup of love, and they feel that you both are divinely guided and connected. They are heartbroken right now, they don't know how to connect with you. They are quite defensive, they have self respect, and maybe if you are blaming them or fighting with them, they don't like that. So they are keeping their guards up, they are tired of waiting. They're waiting for you maybe for months or years. For some of you, I can see maybe 2 years, I can see. So this person is really heartbroken, and they feel that there is a third party. Maybe from your side this person is feeling that you have some other person in your life, and that is the reason their heart is broken, and they want to really patch up with you, they want to come towards you, and they want the happy moments that you had earlier, and definitely they want to share their life with you, they want to grow old with you. As you saw the messages, this person want to grow old with you. So that is what this person want to tell you, and they are patiently waiting that maybe you will call them or message them, or maybe some action or sign or signal that you will give it to them, so that they can travel and come towards you. Okay, those are all the feelings I can see from this person. So yeah, that's all. Then I don't have anything else to say. So if you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this green heart, this reading is for you. What is your person dying to tell you? What is your person dying to tell you? What is your person dying to tell you? What is your person dying to tell you right now? What is your person dying to tell you right now? Okay, these cards are enough. Let us see. I am stuck now, please move on. Maybe this person is stuck in another relationship. This person is asking you to move on, don't wait. Don't be angry at me. Okay, so this person has done something with you and you are very angry. So this person is asking you not to be angry. I didn't know how to fix this. Maybe this person is little like they are innocent or immature. They don't know how to fix this. I am waiting for your call or text. Okay, so they are waiting for your call or text. I acted like it wasn't a big deal when it really was breaking my heart. So now this person is regretting whatever happened between you. They are regretting. My past is haunting me, don't wait. Okay, twice they said it is please move on, don't wait. My past is haunting me, they are saying. I miss you every moment of life. Okay, whatever the moments you shared with this person is not able to forget, and they are definitely missing you every moment of their life. So let us pull more cards. Let us pull the tarot cards to see what they are dying to tell. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What they are dying to tell my pile 2. What they are dying to tell my pile 2. What they are not expressing and they are dying to tell my pile 2. Please give us some guidance and clarity. Okay, I saw. Okay, astronomer, 5 of stars, and the prince. Okay, so they are this is astrologer. Okay, so definitely this person is quite far away from you, and I can see some age difference also, and they are wishing and praying for you. They want to at least meet once. Okay, so they don't have any much more desires, but they at least want to meet you once, and they want to clarify the things between you, because you both have some nasty fight or very bad breakup. So they want to meet you, they want to travel towards you, they want to come and they want to clarify the things. Okay, they are quite defensive, they are little egotistical, and they are standing alone. Okay, so it is kind of an empty victory. They are standing alone. They feel that they got the victory at that time when you broke up, but maybe they hurted you very badly. Maybe you also said something to them, so finally they did something that broke your heart, and they are feeling it is empty victory. Okay, they are taking a sword in their hand and standing that see, I am the winner, I got the victory. Okay, that kind of vibe, immature vibe I can say. So this person is definitely very very passionate towards you, and they are thinking about you every day and night, and they are imagining you then they are reminiscing the moments, happy moments that you had earlier. Maybe they are seeing your pictures, maybe they are reading the conversation which you had again and again. Okay, so this person didn't forget you. That's what they want to say, that they didn't forget you. The passion is still alive. And because Prince of Wands is there, lot of sexual desire I can see here, and they are very much attracted to you. Okay, they feel that you are very attractive, and you have many other options also. This person feels that you have many other options also, and you can get anybody, you are capable of finding anybody good. So they have self-worth issues also, I can see here with the Five of Swords cards. Even though they got the empty victory, they feel that they are not worthy to get your love. Okay, so they are just like stuck there. They don't know what to do. They are not able to forget you. They are not able to come towards you. Okay, that is what they want to say. Let us pull more cards so that we can get some clarity. What they are dying to tell, my pile 2 people, what they are dying to tell, whoever is the specific someone, what they are trying to tell my pile 2. Please, spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What they are trying to tell my pile 2. They want to tell you so many things because the cards are jumping. Let us see. Okay, Page of Cups, Two of Swords, and Seven of Cups. Okay, so this person definitely want to come towards you and propose you, because they have lot of love and they want to offer that cup of love to you. And they have very deep emotions towards you. They are feeling very young, even though the age doesn't matter, but whenever they talk to you or something, they feel like they are in a teenage. Okay, so teenage love, teenage romance, that is what they are feeling. When that is the happiness they are getting in their life. So that is the reason they want to come towards you. They want to express this time. Last time, I mean, whatever happened between you, they couldn't express their feelings. Now this time they want to come towards you. They want to offer the cup of love, and they want to propose you, but they are confused. They don't know whether you will accept them or not. Maybe they are having two options already. Maybe they are into some other relationship or something like that, or you both have blocked each other. I can see some blockage also. Maybe you blocked them or they blocked you in social media or WhatsApp, so they can't contact you. Maybe they don't have your number or something like that. Maybe in the anger or that regret, maybe they delete your number or something like that. I can see a strong blockage here. They don't know what to do. They are blindfolded. Now they are confused. They don't know what to do. At the same time, they have many other options also, and they have self-worth issues also. I can see this person is in dark energy, and they feel that they are not worthy of your love. Again and again I am getting that message only. So maybe, or their past, they had done something which is not nice to know. So maybe you came to know about their past, and you stopped talking to them or you blocked them. So that is what this person is thinking right now also. They are feeling that I don't know whether you will accept me or not, because you have so many options. I have so many other options which I'm not proud of. I'm not proud to tell you. So that is the thing they want to tell you. But definitely they have very very deep emotions for you, and they are in a Page of Cups position, and page of Wands position. So like they are feeling very young and youth whenever they think about you. Maybe you both are classmates or college mates, so maybe that is the reason they are thinking about the past, and they are feeling very happy. They feel very happy when they think about you, or when they read your messages, old messages, or when they see your photos. They feel very very happy. Okay, that's why they want to come towards you and offer their cup of love. Okay, that's all I can see. Pile number 2. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this red heart, this reading is for you. What your person is dying to tell you. What your person is dying to tell you. Please, spirits and angels, give us some guidance and clarity. What their person is dying to tell them, my pile 3 people. Please give us some guidance and clarity. Okay, that's all. Heart to heart conversation. So they want to have heart to heart conversation with you so that they can clear the things. Candlelight dinner. So they want to have candlelight dinner with you. You are my best friend. Maybe you both are best friends. I can't be with you when you need me. Okay, so they regret that. They know that what mistake they have done, and they say that I can't be with you when you need me. My love for you is unconditional. Okay, their love is unconditional for you. Don't have regrets. This is sweet memory for lifetime. So they are saying that don't feel guilty or regret. This is the sweet memory for lifetime. I'm sorry I couldn't be your person. Okay, maybe they got separated or they married somebody or they chose somebody. So they are saying sorry. I want to grow old with you. Okay, so they want to be with you for lifetime. They want to grow old with you. I need more time to heal myself. So their past is like that. They need some time to heal. Let's watch the sunset sitting in the beach. Okay, looks like this pile is very romantic. This person is very romantic, and they want to grow old with you and they want to watch the sunset with you. Okay, let's pull some more cards, tarot cards, to see what exactly they are trying to tell you. What they are trying to tell my pile 3. What they are trying to tell my pile 3. Please give us some guidance and clarity, spirits and angels. Archangel Michael, please give us some guidance and clarity. What they are dying to tell my pile 3 people. What they are dying to tell my pile 3 people. Please give us some guidance and clarity. Postulant, the Magician, and 4 of moons. Okay, so this person is maybe this person is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Other piles I forgot to tell the signs actually. Okay, this person might be Sagittarius also. This person might be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Okay, so this person is like spying on you, spying on social media. They are checking your social media. They are checking the information that you are posting, or they are asking their friends. They are spying and stalking on you because this page of swords card is there. So definitely they are spying, they are stalking you on social media. They didn't forget. Definitely they are searching for you. They are manifesting you. They are trying to manifest. Maybe for some of you they are using the law of attraction or doing some candle magic. They are trying to get you back in their life, win you back in their life. I can see some stubborn energy also. They feel that it is not balanced. This connection is not balanced. So they want to give the balance to this connection, and they want to do make the efforts. Okay, they are trying to put the action into it so that they can keep it balanced. And maybe earlier they rejected you or ignored you. Maybe you were offering the cup of love to this person and they didn't accept, or they rejected you, but now they are regretting about that. Why did I do that? Why? Because maybe they have some regrets in their life. That is the reason that time they couldn't maybe they had some breakup in the past. So that's the reason they couldn't accept your love. But once you got separated, this person is feeling the lack in their life. Now they are not happy, definitely, and they are trying to manifest you in their life. Let's pull more cards. to know about your person, what they are dying to tell you, what they are dying to tell my pile 3 people. Please, spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What they are dying to tell my pile 3 people. What they are trying to tell my pile 3 people. Please, spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What they are dying to tell my pile 3 people. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. So Page of Swords again it came. So definitely they are watching you. For some of you, I feel that this person is your ex or spouse. Okay, so they feel that you are like a queen. Okay, and they have lot of passion and attraction towards you, and they both of you are hurt in this connection. I can see you both are got hurt, and also I can see that you both are wounded, and you have some health issues also, and but still you both are together. Maybe that person is following you, whatever you are doing, this person is trying to follow you. So they feel that there are been many secrets involved in this connection. They don't know how to know the secrets. Okay, whatever, maybe you hid something, or they hidden something from you. So now they don't know how to tell you. Sorry guys, actually my cat is on heat. It's continuously howling and shouting. So sorry, please ignore. Okay, so definitely this person is having definitely eye on you, stalking at your social media, looking at your pictures, and maybe for some people they kept some spy also. Okay, so this person want to say that you are their like family type, or they accepted you as a family, or you both are very very close to each other, because I can feel that this is like wife and husband connection. For some of you, maybe some of the readers are looking for their separated husband or wife, or divorced husband or wife. They are checking this reading. So definitely this person is very very passionate towards you. They are attracted towards you. They want to have that passion whatever you had in the past, and they are desiring for you. They are trying to manifest you. This time they want to keep the things balanced. Maybe whatever happened between you in the past without balance, imbalanced connection, now they want to rectify it. They want to make it balanced. Now they are saying that I will take care. I mean, I will make this connection balanced. Please come back to me. Okay, because they don't have the courage to come back to you, or they don't have the, because they rejected you, or they ignored you, they insulted you, whatever they have done to you in the past, they are regretting about that, and they don't know how to fix it. Okay, so that is the reason they are not talking to you, not coming towards you, but inside they're desiring you, they are manifesting you, they are, maybe they are praying god, or using law of attraction, but definitely this person is missing you. Okay, that's all I have, the messages for you pile 3. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye.